Welcome to the Coaching for Life Timeout. Wade and Lou here. Today we want to talk about anger. Pretty big issue in coaching. Pretty big
That really
issue
makes
in life.
me angry, Wade.
Things happen in games and issues, bad calls, and as coaches, it's really easy to get angry, and it's a natural reaction. But boy, there's some deeper issues when it comes to anger.
Yeah, it really is. You know, there's really nothing wrong with anger. It's a God-given emotion, and there's nothing right or wrong about emotions. The key is that they're triggers, they're indicator lights, and it tells us to not just knock out the indicator light on our dash, but to really look under the hood and see what it's provoking deep down in my life. And sometimes it comes from blocked goals, or frustrated ambitions, or disappointments, and so it's justified. What's not justified and what's irresponsible is how we justify bad patterns of abusing others or violating others, and then it becomes a pattern in which we really avoid responsibility. We actually project our emotions on others, asking them and expecting them to take responsibility for something we won't take responsibility for.
And it's always the spirit in which we say things that really matters, isn't it?
Yeah, and we will all get caught in angry reactions and smart aleck retorts. And when we do, we need to be man and woman enough to say, you know what, that was out of place, or I really was angry. And will you forgive me for my attitude and how I handled that? And go back and face the issue, not just dump the responsibility.
And with all the issues that you see in coaching today, I was talking to a coach who said one day, he says, I wish I could coach with less regrets. And I go, what do you mean by that? And he said that, you know, when I get in the car after practice and drive home, I think of things I wish I wouldn't have said that. Or I wish, and he talked about learning to control. A lot of times I think we see passion or anger in sports, we think it's being competitive. But a lot of times it's really just totally out of control.
Yeah, and the sad thing is when we really build lifetime habits like this, we train people to stay away from us, to not really be approachable. And we really lose. We lose their insight, we lose their love, we lose their affirmation, we lose their wisdom. And it really is, we lose ourselves rather than gain.
So one of the keys here is to be someone who has self-control and take our anger, that natural emotion, channel it, be responsible from it, recognize it, and overcome that as
The key
you're
is
coaching.
own it soon or own it late, but you will own it.
Remember, we're coaching for life.
Not just a season.